Good morning, children. I am Saligram Misra, teacher, Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. This video is of class 5 maths. We will start chapter 13 geometry today. So first of all, starting the exercise, we will read about some important points. First of all, what is point? A dot marked on a piece of paper with the help of the tip of a sharp pencil represents a point. You can see this example. This is a point and name is A, point A. Now what is line segment? A geometrical figure obtained by joining any 2 points in the shortest, that is a straight way, is called a line segment. For example, you see, this is a line segment. Here a starting point is here and end point is here. Now line. It is a line segment is extended infinitely in both directions. We get a line. Suppose that AB is a line segment and it extends from B also and from A also. So this is called a line. Now a ray, if a line segment is extended infinitely in one direction, the geometrical figure hence obtained is called a ray. For example, you see in this figure, A is the starting point and from B you extend the line. So one is a starting point and one you can extend. So this is called ray. So here AB is a ray. Now what is the difference between line, line segment and ray? So a line, no end points are there in a line. Line segment, 2 end points are there in a line segment, and a ray has only 1 end point. Now second difference, a line has no definite length. A line segment always has a definite length. A ray too has no definite length. So a line and ray has no definite length and line segment has definite length. Line, it cannot be drawn, it can only be represented on a paper. Line segment, it can be drawn on a paper. And ray, it cannot be drawn, it can only be represented on a paper. And fourth, symbol AB represents a line with A and B being the 2 points on the line. Symbols, this represents a line segment with A and B being the 2 end points, and symbol this represent a ray with A being the end point and B being a point on the ray. Now children, page number 198. Line, line segment and ray, these you will learn. This is your homework. Now we will start exercise 13.1. Name the following figures in different possible ways. Here you see, you can write this in 2 ways. One is line segment AB, if you start and end point, and otherwise you can write ray AB, because one is from one side you can extend. Here second figure, line segment EF. Third figure you can write point M or plane M. Here you can write line segment PQ, or you can write ray PQ or ray QP, or you can write line PQ. Now question number 2 here, draw the following on paper. A, point Y. Here you draw AB, ray AB. So you can draw like this. Line segment MN, this, and line EF, you can write like this. You can draw like this. Okay, two arrows in line. In both sides, you have to represent the arrow. Okay, so exercise 13.1 we have completed. In the next video, we will solve other exercise. Thank you.